Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily clear cache on iPhone. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First, let's look for your settings. Here they are. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. If you try to follow the Android way, you can scroll down and tap on apps right here. Once you tap there, you find all of your apps. You can tap on any app to open it, but there will be no feature or no option here to clear your cache. Unlike Android, this is how you do it basically on Android. So let's go ahead and go back from here, go back to the main page of settings, scroll up until you find general. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. Now within general, go ahead and tap on iPhone storage, that feature right there. Here you'll find the apps. Now if you want to clear an app's cache right here, tap on it. And that's the feature you're looking for. Basically, you need to tap on offload app. That is the equivalent for clear cache on Android. On iPhone, you just tap on offload. That doesn't delete the app, it only clears the cache. And that's basically how you do it. You can do it for every app you have. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.